लटके हुए।
Heavy rains continue to lash North India with landslides and flash floods being reported in Himachal Pradesh. Several parts of northwest India witnessed a heavy spell on rain on Saturday and Sunday, with Delhi breaking a 41-year-old record. Delhi recorded 153 millimeters of rain in 24 hours ending 8:30 on Sunday, the highest in a single day in July since 1982, the Indian Meteorological Department said. So, what has led to this intense rainfall spell over northwest India? As per the Weather Department, an interaction between a western disturbance and monsoonal winds is leading to an intense rainfall spell over northwest India, including Delhi, which experienced the season's first very heavy rainfall. The Safdarjung Observatory, the city's primary weather station, recorded 153 millimeters of rainfall in 24 hours, ending 8:30 am on Sunday, the highest since the 24-hour rainfall of 169.9 millimeters on July 25, 1982, a senior IMD official said. The city recorded 133.4 millimeters of rain on July 10, 2003, and an all-time high of 266.2 millimeters on July 21, 1958. The heavy downpour submerged parks, underpasses, markets, and even hospital premises and caused chaos on the roads due to traffic congestion. Pictures and videos of commuters wading through knee-deep water flooded social media platforms, raising concerns about the efficiency of the city's drainage infrastructure. Strong winds and showers also caused disruptions in power and internet connectivity in several areas. The IMD issued a yellow alert for Delhi and added that light to moderate intensity rain would continue over many places in Delhi and its adjoining areas. In Jammu and Kashmir, 2 army soldiers were drowned in the Poonch district yesterday. The IMD has predicted very heavy rainfall in more than 9 districts of Rajasthan, including Rajsamand, Jalore, Pali, Ajmer, Alwar, Banswara, Bharatpur, Bhilwara, Bundi, Chittorgarh, Dausa, Dholpur, Jaipur and Kota. The annual Amarnath Yatra has been suspended for third consecutive day today following incessant rains and landslides. About 3,000 vehicles are stranded along the Srinagar-Jammu highway where a portion of road has caved in yesterday. Down south, incessant rains pounded many areas of Kerala and Karnataka as well. The IMD has issued yellow alert in 4 districts of Kerala, Kozhikode, Wayanad, Kannur and Kasaragod. The Weather Office has issued a red alert for 7 Himachal Pradesh districts after landslides and flash floods blocked several roads in Shimla, Sirmaur, Lahaul and Spiti, Chamba and Solan. A portion of National Highway in Kullu district washed away as the Beas River breached the danger mark. Heavy rain lashed several parts of Haryana and Punjab also as the mercury dropped below normal limits in the 2 states, the Weather Office said. Chandigarh, the common capital of the 2 states, witnessed rain throughout the day.